So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another problem statement in React JavaScript. So here you can see we have a problem statement which is our task is to develop a dynamic drop-down component that allow user to select options from a list, and the drop-down should be capable of adapting to changes in the available options, and the selected options should be displayed. The options can be static or from an external source also. Implement the necessary logic to update the drop-down dynamically, and also we have to implement handle user selections and display the selected options. So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you like and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss the awesome videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will write react arrow functional component and export, and after that I will create, basically I will modify our JSX. So I will write label, and inside label I will write select and option, and I will give the class name, sorry, not class name, I will give the HTML for dropdown. And after label I will create one select tag, and inside select I will write option, and I will write select an option. So it is going to be a default option, so I will write default option, and then in the select tag we will give the ID which is drop down, and we will write one on change also which is handle select change, and I will write the value also which will be selected option. Okay, so we quickly define the states. So for that we will import use state from React. Now after that I will create one use state, and I will copy this selected option, I will paste here, and same for the set selected option camel case, and initially it is going to be a blank string. Okay, now I will create one array. So for that I will create one use state and I will write options set options, and it is going to be an array, and inside array what I will write option 1. I will just copy this thing, paste it down, and I will write option 2, option 3, I will give one comma. Okay, so now after that I will write this, we will define this function basically. So const handle select change is equals to arrow function of JavaScript, and it will accept one event as a parameter, and then I will update the final state set selected option to event dot target dot value. Okay, after this default option I will write options dot map, we will write option, and then we will write index, and inside I will write this option again, and we will pass this key as an index, and value will be option, and inside option I will show this option. After the select tag we will write selected options. We will basically make a null check that if it is present then only we will show this text which is selected option is selected option. Okay, so after doing this if I navigate to my server, so for that I will just open my terminal. Okay, and we'll change directory react hooks, we will write yarn dev, it will start my server. So just navigate to my Chrome browser, and I will write localhost / challenge 36. So you will see we have this. So let's suppose if I select option 1, then we have the selected option 1. If I select option 2, then option 2 is selected option, and then for the option 3. So that is something we have implemented our challenge. We have this a basic logic for making a dynamic drop down. So you can also try some dynamic data. So just fetch an API call, okay, and show this data here with the help of options.map. So you can easily show the data. So you can also modify this part of code and try to play with this logic we have. Now this is basically a simple logic. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any doubt regarding this, so let me know in the comment section. And till then, thank you for watching.